Deputy Chief Minister in charge District Council Affairs or DCA, Preston Tinsong, has defended the decision of extending the term of the Khadc and Jhadc for another 6 months while claiming that they are not scared of facing elections. According to Tinsong, they are guided by the 6th schedule and the rules say that the governor can extend the term of the ADCs in Meghalaya if the situation arises for not more than 12 months.
The process takes a lot of time. We have already calculated that, to complete the whole process of revision, it will take not less than 3.5 months till we reach the final publication, till we complete up to the final publication of the electoral rules. So therefore, these were the issues where we needed to do. That's why we have to extend it for another 6 months' time.
Hundreds of shops and houses